Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Mexican in the Kitchen, and today I'm having this pot here on the number 3 out of 6 on the stove. I'm using some canola oil and I'm gonna throw in this onion I've cut into stripes. You can also chop it into cubes if you want. I prefer it this way. And I'm gonna move them a bit. I'm gonna season with some pepper. I'm using again this freshly grated pepper. It's a mix of them. You can also use only black pepper if you want. Seasoning also with some salt. And I'm using some oregano. I'm usually put it into my hand and grate it a bit because the flakes are a bit too big. Once we have seasoned our onion, we're gonna mix it a bit. And we're gonna keep an eye on it while it cooks. This will take maybe 10 minutes. And we'll see that the onion is starting to be this see-through color. And that's when we are ready. And I'm gonna take this chicken broth I had ready here. It's about 1 liter. You can make fresh, natural chicken broth. And if you don't have some chicken, you can also use these chicken broth cubes and dissolve it in some water. And basically that's it. That's all the preparation our soup needs. I'm gonna just cover it and I let it there for maybe 10 more minutes. And while we wait for our soup to be ready, I'm gonna take a normal plate and I chopped some Gouda cheese. So basically any cheese that melts nicely will do. So I put a couple on the bottom of the plate and then I just serve my soup on top. And we will see that the hot soup will start to make the cheese melt. So we will have these bits of melted cheese on our soup. This soup is so easy to make, so cheap, so quick. Basically onions are very cheap and that's all you need. You need the onions, maybe the chicken broth, some spices. But you can make it in maybe 10-15 minutes tops. And well, at least onions here are very cheap. You can buy a whole bag and it will be just maybe 1 or 2 euros, and it tastes amazing. I remember my mom making this quite often and I really like it, especially with the cheese. The cheese gives it a really nice touch, this like melted, you know, when you eat it and you can feel the strings coming, and it's delicious. You should try it at home. If you like the video, press like, write any questions or comments below, subscribe, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one.